Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the D3DX9 43DLL missing error on Windows 11. The main fix is to install the DirectX End-User Runtime from Microsoft. Open your browser and search for the DirectX End-User Runtime download. Go to the official Microsoft website. Download the file and run the installer. Follow the steps on the screen and complete the installation. This will restore the missing DirectX 9 components. After the installation, restart your computer and try to open the game again. If the problem is still there, update your Windows system. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC. You can also run a system scan to repair corrupted files. Click on the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait until the scan is complete. If Windows finds any issues, it will fix them automatically. If nothing works, uninstall the game that shows the error. Then restart your computer and install the game again. Thanks for watching.